Hello dear students, I am starting exercise 2.3. First question C. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by these 5 polynomials are given. You can see there 5 parts. These 5 are divisors. Okay. So we have to find the remainder when we will divide by x plus 1, when we will divide by x minus 1 upon 2, x plus pi and 5 plus 2x. So what will come? Remainder. He is asking only remainder. So no need of doing long divide. Okay. Only we will use remainder theorem. Anywhere he will ask find the remainder. Okay. So we will use remainder theorem for finding remainder. So see this first part. This given polynomial we will assume px. First part is x plus 1, so it is your divisor. Gx is x plus 1. Now let's start this. Firstly we will write by using remainder theorem. By using remainder theorem, as I said, for using remainder theorem, firstly we will take this gx is x plus 1. Okay, so gx equals to 0. We will start from there. Gx equals to 0. Let. Okay, now gx value is x plus 1, so put here x plus 1 equals to 0. Now x value will come. This plus 1 will transfer on that side, so x equals to plus 1 will become minus 1. So this is the value of x from this divisor gx. Now this x value we will put inside px. Here remainder will come. So we will write like this: remainder equals to this x value minus 1 we will put into px. So anywhere is x. Okay, only that we will put x value minus 1. So it will be minus 1 cube plus 3 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 1 plus 1. You can see this. Anywhere x I have put x value minus 1. And whenever you will put the value of minus x, always put inside the bracket, because squaring and cubing we will do first. We know minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 square is positive 1. Then 3 and minus 1 we will multiply, it will come minus 3 plus 1. Now open all the brackets. Minus 1, 3 1 ja 3, plus minus minus, plus 1. Now we will add only positive terms, 3 and 1. 3 and 1 are positive, so 3 and 1 will become 4, and minus 1 and minus 3 will become minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0, so your remainder is 0. Answer. So without doing actually dividing, we have done by using remainder theorem. Okay, as it is we will take second part like this. Let the second part is x minus 2, it is gx, like we have taken x plus 1 gx here. Now we will take x minus 1 upon 2 as gx. So gx is x equals to x minus 1 upon 2. So we will take, this implies gx equals to 0. We start from there by using remainder theorem. Okay, so gx value is x minus 1 upon 2 equals to 0. X value will come positive 1 upon 2. Now negative will become positive. We will transfer there. Always sign will change when you will transfer anything. So 1 upon 2 will transfer there. It will become 1 upon 2 positive. Now this x value 1 upon 2 again we will put here, like we have put x value minus 1 here in this px. So remainder equals to we will put x value 1 upon 2 in this px. So x cube means 1 upon 2 cube plus 3 into 1 upon 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 1. You can see there. Okay, I have put everywhere 1 upon 2. Firstly we have put there minus 1 in first part. Now we will solve this. 1 upon 2 cube 1 upon 8 plus 3 into 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4 plus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2 plus 1. So everywhere it is fraction, so we will take 1 upon 1 so that we can take LCM. Okay, so 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1. Whole LCM we can see easily 8, 4, 2, 1. So LCM is 8. Now 8 1 ja 8, 1 1 ja 1, 4 2 जा 8, 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, so 4 3 जा 12, plus 8 1 जा 8, so 8 will come as it is. 6 plus 1 7 and 8 15, 15 and 12 27 upon 8. It is your remainder answer. Okay, as it is I am taking third part. In third part only x is given there, so gx is equals to x. This x we will take gx equals to x. Okay, now this implies gx equals to 0. Again gx will do 0. Gx value is x, we will put x value 0. No need of solving, directly it is coming x value 0. Okay, because it is only single x, no any number there, we can't transfer anything, so x value is 0 coming directly. Now x value 0 we will put everywhere, like we have put 1 upon 2 everywhere, we will put 0 everywhere. So your remainder will come, remainder equals to 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. Where I am putting this x value 0? In that given polynomial. Okay, this again and again we have to put. We have to find the values of x from these, and we have to put the values of x in this px. Only this work we have to do. Your remainder will come. So 0 cube square is anything is 0. So 0 0 0. Only 1 will remain. So its answer is 1. Okay, it is your third part. Now I am taking fourth part. Fourth part is saying x plus pi. So gx equals to let gx equals to x plus pi. Okay, so we will take gx equals to 0. Now gx value is x plus pi, it means x plus pi is equals to 0. This implies now pi will go on that side, so plus pi will become minus pi, x equals to minus pi. Okay, we will put this x value minus pi everywhere now, so remainder will come. Remainder equals to, like we have put 0 everywhere, so at the place of 0 now we have to put x value minus pi, so it will become minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into pi plus 1. Minus pi cube is minus pi cube, because negative cube is always negative and negative square is positive. So plus 3 minus pi square, so minus square is positive, so only pi square will come here. Okay, plus 3 pi plus 1. So your answer is minus pi cube plus 3 pi square plus 3 pi plus 1. This is your answer. We can't solve this. Okay, no need of putting the value of pi, because your question is given in the form of pi, so your answer also you can write in the form of pi. Pi value 22/7 putting is not necessary here. Okay, so you can leave your answer here. Last part is fifth part, 5 plus 2x. Fifth part is let gx equals to 5 plus 2x. Must check this. Okay, 5 plus 2x. I have taken 5 plus 2x. Now gx equals to 0 we will do. Let gx equals to 0. This implies 5 plus 2x is equals to 0. This implies firstly 5 will go on that side. 2x equals to 0 minus 5 means minus 5. Now 2 will go downside, minus 5 upon 2. So we have separated the value of x. Value of x is coming minus 5 upon 2. This we will put inside the px. So your remainder will come. Remainder equals to, here we will put everywhere in this px. Okay, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So it will come minus 5 upon 2 cube plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. Okay, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Clear? So we have put the value correctly. So always check after putting the value. Okay, then solve. 2 times check your value you are putting correctly or not. Negative cube, I said negative. So now 5 cube is 125 and 2 cube is 8 plus negative square is positive. So 5 square is 25 upon 4. Okay, minus will not come here because negative square is positive, but negative cube is negative. Now plus 3 multiplied by minus 5, it will come minus 15. So minus 15 upon 2 plus 1. like this. Only 3 will multiply by 5, 3 will not multiply by 2, only upper side we will multiply. 3 5s are 15 and 2 will come as it is. Now it is also fraction, so we will take 1 upon 1. So minus 125 upon 8 plus 125 3 are 75 upon 4 minus 15 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1. So now again we can see LCM is 8. So 8 to 8 will cancel, minus 125 plus 4 2 is 8, 70, 150 minus 2 4 is 8, 15 4 is 60 plus 8 1 is 8. Okay. Now only positive terms we will see, 150 and 8. 150 and 8 will become 158, and 125 and 60 we will combine both. So 5 8 185 upon 8. Okay. So after that 158 minus 185, you can see 158 is less. Okay, from less you will subtract any bigger number, so it will come negative number. So negative 27 upon 8 are your answer. Okay, like subtract 185 minus 158, 27, but we are subtracting smaller minus bigger, then it will come minus 27 upon 8. So we have done all 5 parts of question number first.